What's the meaning of coir? Coir. Coir.
Coir. Coir. Coir is a natural fiber that comes from the husk of a coconut, and is commonly used to make ropes, mats, carpets, and other products. It is durable, water-resistant, and resistant to decay and damage from saltwater. Coir fibers are also used in horticulture as a growing medium for plants, especially in hydroponic systems. The production of coir involves several steps, including harvesting and threshing the coconuts, soaking the fibers in water, and spinning them into yarn or twine. Overall, coir is a versatile and sustainable material that has many practical applications in various industries.